Hello guys, I'm Greg Moore. This video going to see about doubly linked list. So first of all, we're going to create a node. So that we're using a class and class name as node and definite of self comma data equal none and next equal none and previous equal none and self dot data equal data and self dot next equal to next and self dot previous equal to previous. And we're using and next we're creating a linked list. So we're using a self dot head equal none. Next we're going to create insert an element in the beginning. So def insert at beginning of self comma data. Now we're going to insert the head in the node. So that using self dot head equal node. Else we will insert the previous element in the node. So that using a self dot head dot previous equal node and self dot head equal to node. Next we're going to display the display element in the node. So that using a self dot def display of self. If self dot head is none, it will print a list is empty. Otherwise, it will display the element in the node by the following code. So that using a monkey equal to self dot head, while monkey it will print the monkey dot data. Then monkey equal to monkey dot next. Next, we're going to count the length of the node. So that using a def length of self and count equal to 0. Then monkey equal to self dot head and while monkey and count plus 1 equal to monkey. Sorry, count plus equal to 1 and monkey equal to monkey dot text and return count. And next we're going to insert a element in the middle. So that using a def insert at middle of self comma insert index comma data. If index less than 0 or index greater than self dot length, it will print a invalid index, otherwise it will insert a data by the following code. Next we're going to delete the element at the end. So that we're using a def delete at the end of self. If self dot head is none, it will print a list is empty, otherwise it will delete the element in the node. So that if the self dot head next is none, then it will delete the head dot data. Otherwise, monkey equal to self dot head while monkey dot next and monkey equal to monkey dot next. It will delete the monkey dot data. Next, we're going to see about delete the given data. So that we're using a def delete given data of self comma x. If self dot head is none, it will print as list is empty. Otherwise, it will delete the head dot data in the given 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 element. So we're using if self dot head dot data equal to x, then if self dot head dot next is none, it will self dot head equal to none. Return. Else self dot head equal to self dot head dot next, then self dot head dot previous equal to none, and then return. Then monkey equal to self dot head, and then while monkey if monkey dot data equal to x, and monkey dot next is none, and self dot delete dot end. Then monkey equal to monkey dot next. Else monkey equal to self dot head and while monkey dot next, if monkey dot data equal to x, then it will delete the data in the given element. Next, you're going to search the element in the given node. So that using a search item of self comma x. If self dot head is none, it will print a this list is empty. Otherwise, it will search the element in the given node. So that by the following code. Next, you're going to see next you're going to do a manipulator program. So that using first choices insert data at front and second choices insert data at required position. And next we're using a delete third choices delete last node, and next delete given data, and next fifth choices search data, and sixth choices display, and seventh choices exit. If I give choice 1, it will ask the insert the value at the beginning. So we're using a input so that we're giving a user input like enter the data to be added at the front end. If you give choices to it will ask to enter the insert the element at the middle. So I'll be giving a insert so that we giving a user input like enter the index where the data to be added and enter the data to be enter data to be added. And next if we give a choice as 3, it will delete the element at the end. If we give choices 4, it will delete the given data. So we're giving choices so they're giving a user input like enter data to be deleted. If we give choices 5, it will search the item in the node. So we're giving a choice in the user input like enter the data to be searched. If we give choices 6, it will display, and if we give choices 7, it will exit the program. Now we run the code. Now it's asking enter choice. I'm going to give choices 1. I'm going to give a data to be added at front as 10. I will give choices 1 and front data as 20, and again choices 1 and again data to be added front as 30. Next I'm going to display the all element which I has the inserted in front. So we're going to display the element so that using a choices 6. Now it's showing it it's displaying the what I given the element in the front 10, 20, 30. We're going to insert the data at required question so that giving a choices 2. Now it's asking the enter index where the data to be added. I'm going to going to give an index as 1, and I'm going to enter the data to be added as 15. Now inserted data is 15. I'm going to display the node. So giving choices 6. Now it's showing 10, 20, 15, 30. I'm going to delete the last node. So giving a choices 3. The deleted data is 10. We're going to delete the given data. So giving choices 4. So going to delete the data to be I'm going to enter the data to be dated as 30. The deleted data is 30. We're going to display the remaining element. So we're using choices 6. Now it's showing 20 and 15. I'm going to exit the program. So we're giving choices 7. That's all guys. Thank you.